Hey, what's up guys? This is Hunter. I'm going down to the creek real fast. We're gonna do a little creek fishing. I got a brand new reel. It is the Quantum. It is a Quantum Octane, and I'm just testing it out for tournament fishing, see how it works and all that. So I'm gonna give this a try, and I'll see you guys down at the creek. Right now is I'm working the black and blue chatterbait with a gold trailer on it. So we're gonna make a couple casts here. I normally only have luck here if there's one bass, so we'll make some casts here and then move to the next spot. Second spot, we're gonna fish it like the last spot. It's a little rockier though, so maybe throw a couple more jigs and see how they work across this rockier surface. But yeah, so I'm gonna make a couple casts, then I'll see you guys at the first fish. I see a bass right here. Try to get in front of him. Doesn't seem to be vibrating. Head must be all messed up. Make a couple casts back in this corner. There's a big bass right there. I've seen that bass here a while. Smallmouth of the day on. Fighter. Nice little guy. I'm gonna flip him up here. Okay. Not a bad one for the first bass. This is on the black and blue chatterbait. Come on. Yeah, this is on the black and blue chatterbait, if you can see that, with a little gold grub-like trailer on the back. Nice red eyes on them. Amazing features on these bass. Okay, so I'm gonna get the weight on this guy and I'll let him go. Is 1 pound 21 ounces. So we're gonna let him go. See you guys. Very nice bass though. What I'm doing right now is I'm casting. I was casting right here because there's a bed right there with a smallmouth, or a big smallmouth likes to breed every year. I mean, bed every year. So right now, what I'm doing though, I think most of them are upstream a little bit. So I'm gonna cast this deep spot, if you can see it, where all these ripples are. I'm gonna hopefully hit a couple beds right on top, and we'll see. Oh, I think I just had a bite. Nope. I could have sworn I just had a bite on that first cast, but we'll see. There's a lot of rocks. I think that's what I'm hitting right now. So oh, I just saw one come to the top. That was really cool. I'm just switching up the movement, trying to see what they like right now. What I just did was I tried jigging it up and then letting it fall back down, because sometimes they like to hit it on that drop right there. Quantum I got today, if you can see it. It's the Octane, Quantum Octane, and it's pretty nice. It's a $60 rod I got at Field and Stream. I like the colors of it too. That's not what I'm supposed to be looking at though. Yeah, so it's a 6:1 gear ratio, and right now what I have on is the craw of Nick Folk's custom cranks. I bought this off him. It's a hand painted crankbait. Very nice for this type of crick, because right now I think what they're hitting on this spawn are these little crawfish. So I'm gonna make a couple casts with this. Right now the line I have on this is the 10-pound test Stren monofilament. So I'm gonna make a couple casts. Casts on this Quantum, not so smooth, but that's with any new rod that you get. The casting is pretty nice. I like the flexibility on the tip of this rod. That's the main reason I got this one. But for the Quantum, not bad. I mean, like I said before, it's always, whenever you buy the rod the first couple casts, it's gonna be a little hectic trying to get the stuff like the magnetic drag and everything set on it. But other than the little quirks with it, like the backlash that first cast I had, it's a pretty nice rod. So we're gonna make a couple more casts here. I'm gonna move down to the bridge, next bridge, hopefully catch a couple more bass. The first cast at this new spot, bunch of geese making noise down there. So we'll see how this spot works. Normally, it's one of my favorite spots to fish, just because there's a little drop off over by that wall over there. That's where they all like to bed. So maybe I'll hit a bed today. Come on. Oh yeah. This is on the chatterbait again. There was a bed right in front of me, I didn't see it. Come on. Don't want to get hooked. Come on. Got him. Ah, there's one. Hold on. My line's all tangled up again. My GoPro. He whacked it. Dead on. Very nice smallmouth. Let's get the weight on him. So I forget the weight of the last one. It was a pound something. So at the end I'll add it all up, and I'll either put it in the description below of all together, or I'm just gonna or I will just put it on the title thing whenever it says subscribe. So let's get the weight on this dude or dudette. He's gonna shake right whenever I let go. Nope. Oh, yep. Come on. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Whew. That's a nice bass. So, let's get the release on this very, very nice bass. About out of time. Caught end result, we caught 2 smallmouth bass, very nice ones too. Healthy for this creek, so that's a good thing that we're seeing very nice bass in this creek. So yeah, this Saturday we're gonna be going hunting. I'm gonna be hunting with Joey, and we're gonna do a little turkey hunting like in last video. So we'll see you guys in the next LDB adventures.